here in the garage the day after riding with Mark Freeman, Rex 4x4, and Graham Adams. And I have some less than good news. The CRF250R has a little bit of an issue. Pulled the oil filter and she's full of bronze shavings, as you can see. Lots on the metal tray, lots all over the oil filter. And you can see in here that all that's been running through the engine. So it looks like me and the bike are done for this year. But that's okay, because it's going to snow on Monday. And the sleds are pretty much ready to go.